birthday party of that. Hey guys from London, yesterday Megan do B and Sophia come to, Kara come to. So today, Chris away, so after the way, Becky he's too fat. Look at him, too fat on go to the beach. So after the beach, me could go to say, I got it. He put away his soul, he wears shirt. So after go Chuck and Cheese and find his mom, he go to the bar and Noble find his fucko. Lady talked about something else. No, didn't get it. I go to beat one day to main second game to that air team. For one more here too. One more team too. So one more on the beach. Me and Chris. After went to the beach. I went to the soap boat like way. So, get it, bye.